Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today we're doing the pattern 9 from our Multimus. And we are, as always, starting with the edge stitch. So here I have the first couple of rows already knitted. So this is what you see, so the texture of it, and it's often called the rose pattern because of the way it looks. It has a light 3D effect, I hope you can see that. And it's pretty simple to do. The only thing you have to take care of is that you do 4 stitches together, and just make sure that you take all of your threads with you and don't forget any. So let's start with 1 knit stitch, and then we're going to repeat 3 stitches done together. So 3 stitches here, but now pull the thread from your working needle a little bit longer, then a yarn over and do the same thing one more time. So what we want and what we're doing by this step is having 3 threads or 3 loops on our needle. Then we do a knit stitch after that, and then we keep repeating that. So the 3 longer pieces, the 3 longer loops, and then a knit stitch in between. So it's not complicated, as I said, you just need to make sure that you take your threads with you and that you get really all of them, so all 3 of them and not just 2. And it really pays off to be patient here and do them right, because these you do in every 4th row, so it's not that often and the result is really great. So this is all that we're gonna do in this row, and I'm gonna do a knit stitch at the end as well. The second row, the back row, we're gonna do with just purl stitches. And make sure that you keep all of these stitches that are together, we're going to keep them separate, so do them individually. But let me finish this row and then I'll show you how to begin the next one. So I'm using my thumb to help, and it's a really easy and a really good trick to know. And that's all there is to it. Then these edge stitches that we do, and now we do row number 2. Here again the edge stitches, and now I'll show you the stitches. So we do them all purlwise. And when we have these 3 that are together, we want to keep them separate. So just make sure, take your time and make sure that they are all done individually as separate stitches. And that's always 3 of them. And yeah, you keep going with this row this way. It's super easy. You just need to watch it a little bit better because they're so close to one another. So I'll finish this and then I'll be back. Okay, so our 5th row is now incoming and it's the exact same thing as the first one. But this time we're doing the roses in a little bit different spot. So we want them kind of in between the ones that we just did on the bottom that you can see here. So we're going to start with 3 knit stitches first. So first we started, in the first row we started with just 1, and this time we're doing 3. And then we keep repeating the exact same thing. So through 3, then a yarn over, again through the same ones, and then 1 knit stitch. And then you keep repeating that. And I'm again using my fingers to pull this a little bit longer so that it looks nicer later. And that's it. And now you can do this and you see how easy it is. You just need a couple of rows that you do and then you get a really great result regardless of what kind of project you're doing. If it's a sweater or something else or a scarf. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the ending here. So I have here 1 knit stitch and then we're doing 2 more knit stitches here, so that we have 3 just like when we started this row. And yeah, the 6th row, so the next one is going to be again just purl stitches, and then all the even rows you can basically begin the same way and all the odd rows are always the same. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you in my next project. Have a wonderful day. Bye!